is a bird. It is a stork. It has long legs. It has long beak. It has a long neck. This is an animal. It is fox. Look at the face of the fox. It has short nose. It has short mouth, not a beak. It has teeth. It has a long tongue. Now you can read the story of the fox and the stork. It is very old story. Good morning, Mrs. Stork. How are you? I am very well, thank you. How are you? Oh, I am very well, thank you, Mrs. Stork. You're my very good friend. Oh, am I? Yes, you're my very good friend. Come to my house. Come and have lunch with me. Thank you. What are you cooking? I am cooking some soup. It is very good soup. Come to my house and drink my soup. Thank you. Yes. All right, Boo. Where is your house? It is near. Look, you can see it. Come and have lunch with me at my house. Yes, thank you.
The two animals are walking to Mr. Fox's house. The two animals are in Mr. Fox's house. Mrs. Dog is sitting down. There's a table and a tablecloth. There are two bowls on the table. One is in front of Mrs. Dog. One is in front of Mr. Fox.
Please drink my soup, Mrs. Stork. It is very good soup and you're my very good friend. I don't... Is the soup good? I cannot drink it. I have a long beak. I can drink the spoon. I can drink it. I have a mouth and a long tongue. I can drink it. It is easy.
Mr. Fox is having another bowl of soup. He's smiling. He's drinking all the soup. Mrs. Dog is drinking nothing.
The soup is very good, Mrs. Stork. I am your very good friend. Please ask me to your house for dinner. Yes, please come to my house for dinner. I am cooking the spoon too. It is very good spoon. You're my very good friend. Come to my house for dinner. Yes, thank you. I like soup. You are very good. Where is your house? Come with me.